Hello friends, welcome to Code Coding. In today's video, we are going to learn assignment operators in C++. So what is an assignment operator? So assignment simply means storing a value into a variable. So this is my operator.cpp file. Here I have the libraries hash include iostream using namespace standard. This is my main method, and inside this main method I am returning here a 0. Now let's declare one variable. So let's say the data type is int and the name of variable is number. So this is a variable declaration. Now I need to assign a value to this particular variable. So how I can assign this value? With the help of assignment operator. So I will make use of the variable name, which is number, and assign the value here, let's say 100. So this is basically a assignment. So 100 value will be assigned to this variable number. And if I try to print it now, cout number. Now let's save this code and try to run it. So I will right click, run code. We are getting here 100. So whatever value we have assigned, we are able to store that inside a variable using the assignment operator. We can also do this in a single line. Instead of declaring and assigning a value, we can directly assign the value on the first line itself when we are declaring the variable. So int number is equal to, let's say now 40. If I save this code, now this time we should get the value as 40. See, we are getting here 40. Now we need to add some more values to this number. On the next line, if I say number is equal to number plus 10. So what will happen now? So initially the number has the value 40. Now we are assigning the number value updated again. So here we are having the value as 40. Then we are saying 40 plus 10, 50. So in the number now 50 will be stored. And when we are trying to print the number, we should get the output as 50. If I run this code, so see we are getting here 50. So instead of writing this, we can make use of compound assignment. So how does the compound assignment works? So here there are two operators. So this is an arithmetic operator and this is an assignment operator. But the operation is being performed on number only. So we are performing the operation on number and assigning the value to the number. So instead of doing or typing this number again, what we can do, we can just remove the number and remove the plus from here and type here. So when we are doing this, this is equivalent to number is equal to number plus 10. So if I change the value here, let's say 11. Now we should get the output as 51. Now let's run the code. So see we are getting here 51. In similar ways, we can do another compound assignments related to subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's check that also. Let's have the number value as 10. Now first I will add 5 here to the number and then we will print the number. After that, what I will do, I will say number multiply by 2. So we will multiply the number with 2 and then again print the number. So let me copy this statement and paste it here. Now let's run the code. So initially the number is having the value 10. So we are adding 5 in it. So we should get first output as 15. So we are getting here 15. And after that, we are multiplying it with 2. So number is having the value 15 now. So 15 into 2, it will print 30. I want to print it on the next line. So I can make use of end L here. I can just say end L. Also here. Now I need to do subtraction. So I will say number minus is equal to. So now the number is having the value 30. So let's minus 5 from the number. So we will get the output as 25. We print it. Copy the statement. Paste it here. And after subtraction, I will also do the division. So number divided by number. And now the number is having the value 25, right? Because initially it was having 30. So we subtracted by 25. And let's divide the number by 5 again. So we should get the output here as 5 because 25 divided by 5 we will get 5. Now let me copy this, paste it here, and now let's save this code, run. Now we should get the output for all 4 operations. So see, initially the number was having the value 15. The code as well. So initially the number was having the value 10, then we added 5, so we got 15. After that we multiplied this 15 with 2, we got 30. After that from 30 we subtracted 5, we got 25. And after that we divided 25 by 5, we got the output as 5. So in this way there are multiple assignment operators and compound assignment operators. Here you can see. So we have seen the demo for these operators. Similarly, we have the operation for modulus and NOR. So all these are the examples of assignment operator. So you can practice on this.